What's up, YouTube? Well, the Berserker is on the trailer, and there goes Squirt, Thor, and J-Rod. So this must mean something's wrong. So Jay, what happened?
It broke.
It went kaput.
Yeah, it stopped running.
Paulo,
Not happy.
you guys went kaput.
Yeah, I'm gonna throw him inside real quick.
So there's the Berserker. So we shall see what's going on. We're gonna get this unloaded and we'll show you some damages.
Oh, okay, what's he doing? You got all of everything on? Strap off the other side? I just gotta get over this hump.
It's in gear.
It's not in gear. Watching me park this whole time? No, it's not in gear.
And boom. And he lost a flip-flop. Flip-flop down. Flip-flop down. All high performance. All high all the time. We high all the time. Smoke that good. Boom. Alright, Berserker is in the garage. My boy Barney Rubble is getting back in his flops. Said Barney Rubble, not Fred Flintstone. Fred Flintstone had two bare feet. So, car's in there. We're gonna pop the hood, see if we see anything. So we got J-Rod in here. What exactly happened, J-Rod?
I'm driving down the highway, noticed it started losing power. Started hearing a slight little tap, so I started to pull over and then noticed a bunch of smoke behind me. And yeah, it started going slower and then started shaking like hell and knocking like hell, and then it went punk. And then this is all it does now.
And that's all it does. That's all she does. Clink. So,
I don't see any holes. I think it's internal.
like you said,
But I don't know if a piston came apart and I was seeing oil through the exhaust or what, because I didn't see any damn holes. But I don't know. We'll figure out what I'm going to do with it now.
so any comments you want to leave on the Berserker? And kaboom, what should we do?
This was my daily at the moment, but shit.
Shit. So, as we would do here at All High Performance, we are about to head down. J-Rod was on the way to go get a welder so we can get some stuff going, and we're going to still get some stuff going. We're going to head down and pick up a welder. I'll show you guys what we pick up a little later on. We're not going to make a disappointment of the day. Bad stuff always ends up being something good. So, again, you guys just leave us some likes, some, subscribe to the page, share, and leave some comments at the bottom. Chuck's log, I'm sorry, Charles, man. You usually leave us some comments. Sean down at Thrack, man, if you guys want to just put anything that you guys would like to see besides the steering wheel, I think we may get rocking a little bit with this thing. So you guys just leave us some comments. Let us know what you guys like to see, and we'll see what we can get going. So most likely, though, this Integra is going to be the next up, followed by the Miata, and then we'll be breaking down into the old Berserker here and see what J-Rod has in stock. Again, leave some comments. Let us know what you guys have for ideas, whatever. So anyhow, like I said, we're going to turn this bad day. We're going to do what All High does and get high all the time. Anyway, YouTube, appreciate you guys. We're going to go pick up this welder, get some more stuff rocking and rolling, and peace. J-Rod, say hi, everybody.
I'm going to go get high.
Peace.